Welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to make a younger woman miss? You can't stop thinking about you even when you're not around. If you're an older man who wants to attract younger women, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to share with you 5 secrets that will help you become the man that younger women can't ignore. These aren't quick fixes but time-tested strategies that will help you build a strong and irresistible attraction. These secrets will not only help you get her attention, but will also make her want to chase you, wanting to be with you every day. We'll show you how to exude the confidence, maturity, and unspoken charisma that older men can bring to relationships with younger women. Don't miss these strategies. They will completely change the way you approach and build relationships with young, promising women. The first secret we want to share is absolute confidence, an extremely important factor that any young girl looks for when starting a relationship, especially when they are looking for a mature man who can lead and help them feel secure in life. Confidence comes not only from being able to make a good first impression, but also from the way you express yourself through every action, word, and decision. When you are an older man, you have experienced many challenges, failures, and successes in life. Those experiences help you not only develop yourself, but also help you face every situation calmly and wisely. Young women see that they feel your maturity, strength, and ability to lead the relationship. This makes them feel secure and trust you more than ever. Unlike younger men who may lack certainty and experience, you, the older man, have been through enough situations in life to be able to make the right decisions. Young women are not just looking for a man with a good appearance, but they need someone who can create stability, who is capable of making decisions and making them feel secure in every step of their lives. When you are confident in yourself, when you never doubt your abilities, you will become a man. She wants to be with someone she can trust and rely on. Your competence is not just words, but actions. When you take the initiative, when you lead the relationship and are not afraid to make decisions, you will create a strong attraction. She will feel protected and safe with you, feeling that you are the best choice for her every time you are confident in yourself. Every time you show her that you are trustworthy, she will be more attracted to you and will not be able to stop thinking about you, so never doubt yourself. Let your confidence guide you every step of the way, and you will see her more and more attracted, looking for the certainty and guidance that only you can provide. The second tip we want to share is not to rush to compliment sometimes. In the first meeting, we easily get caught up in complimenting her external beauty, smooth skin, sparkling eyes, or soft hair. But did you know that when you rush to compliment her, she will feel like you are trying to please her? This not only makes her feel that you are not genuine, but also makes her not really see her own value. Through your eyes, instead of rushing to compliment her, create deep conversations. Pay attention to what she shares. One of the things women really look for in a man is genuine interest. Let her feel that you really want to understand her, her life, her dreams, and even the worries she is facing when you take the time to ask about her interests, her past experiences, or her future goals. You show her that you see beyond her appearance and that you care about her soul. This is important because women don't want to be just compliment recipients. They want to feel that you're really listening, that you're trying to understand and appreciate the little things in their lives. When you show genuine curiosity and interest in what she has to say, you not only make her feel valued, but you also create a deeper connection between the two of you. She'll start to feel like you're not just the man she wants to be with, but someone she can share her thoughts, her dreams, and her dark side with. So remember, compliments don't always work. Sometimes genuine listening and deep interest are the keys to touching her heart, when she feels that you will make her not only want to continue talking, but also want to know more about you. This connection does not come from empty compliments, but from the sincerity and interest you show her. The third secret, and also one of the most important keys, is to create mystery. The feeling of mystery is not something strange, but a gentle attraction. Not immediately explained when you reveal everything about yourself. At the beginning, she will have nothing left to discover. Everything becomes too easy, and this can make her feel bored, as if this relationship lacks excitement, lacks curiosity. On the contrary, if you know how to keep a part of the mystery a little bit unsaid, she will be attracted. We want to learn more about you, this feeling attractive, and when you let her see that, you are not an easy book to read, but a book with chapters full of surprises and interesting things she will always crave. To open each page instead of sharing everything about yourself. Learn to share incomplete stories. This will help you create a space for her to explore, a space for her to find out for herself what you have not revealed, for example. Instead of telling her the details of a great trip, you can say that trip was great, but there was something that happened at the end that I can't share right now. It's a great story. Such statements will make her want to hear more, want to know what happened, and create a strong curiosity in her mind. When you leave a little mystery like that, she will always be looking for the missing pieces, will always want to know more about you, about the experiences, thoughts, and hidden corners that you have not revealed. This will not only help you stay in her mind, but also create excitement and intrigue that very few people can bring when a man knows how to keep a bit of mystery to himself. He will always be something new and fascinating, which makes women never feel bored, always wanting to discover more about that man. The fourth tip I want to share with you is to create scarcity. This is an important strategy that will help you not only attract her attention, but also keep the relationship fresh and interesting. Never show up too much. Don't let her think that you are always there when she needs you. One of the things that younger women look for in an older man is independence, maturity, and the ability to live with your own goals and passions. They want to see you as a man with a full life, not someone who only revolves around her when you are not always available for her every moment. She will feel you are missing. This doesn't mean you have to stay away from her or create a big distance, but know how to make time for yourself when you are not calling or texting. All the time, you have the opportunity to focus on your work, your hobbies, your family, and your friends. These things not only help you grow, but also make her realize that you are a valuable person, someone who is not easy to get. And this is a strong attraction. When you spend time on important things in your life, she will feel that she cannot always take up your attention, even when she cannot approach you easily. This makes her crave you even more. She will start thinking about you, more curious about what you are doing, what you are focusing on. This creates an irresistible attraction when you are close enough, but also far enough away to make her always feel like she is missing you. So don't just chase her. Let her feel that you are a man with a life, with things more important than just a relationship with her. When she sees that you are not easy to get, when you are not always available to her, she will automatically think about you more, desire you more. And that is when you become the person she cannot take her eyes off, always thinking about you even when you are not around. The last secret I want to share is to maintain self-control. And this is an extremely important factor. When you want to become a man, she can't take her eyes off. Women are always attracted to men who are able to control their emotions and actions. Self-control is not only shown in decisions at work, but also in the way you face challenges in life. When you have self-control, you are not affected by indecision or anxiety. You can stand your ground and stay calm in all situations. This makes you a strong and attractive man in her eyes. She will see you as a solid support, someone she can trust and rely on. Women want to see you as someone who can stand firm in all situations, not easily swayed or changed by external factors. When you stay calm, not allowing unwanted factors to affect your mood or actions, she will feel your strength and stability. Always maintain confidence, because that is the key to making you the man she is looking for. She wants to see that you not only know what is important, but also know how to handle every situation. Calmly and maturely, you do not have to be too strong or assertive, but self-control in your actions, words and emotions will say it all. That is how you create irresistible attraction. When you show self-control through your actions, she will feel your maturity, and this will make her proactively seek you out, want to be close to you and explore more about you. When you control your emotions and actions, you also inadvertently create a strong attraction, making her unable to stop thinking about you and wanting to pursue you. Self-control is the key to becoming the man she can't ignore, can't live without in her life. So we have discovered together 5 extremely effective secrets to help you become the man she can't stop thinking about. These secrets are not temporary tricks, but real strategies that can change the way you attract her in the long term. However, the most important thing is still confidence and respect for her. Remember, a lasting relationship can only be built on a foundation of sincerity and mutual respect. During this process, take steps naturally and comfortably. Don't force or try to be someone other than yourself. Naturalness is the key to making her feel comfortable and attracted to you. You will notice a clear change, and she will gradually be attracted and want to pursue you every day. If you find these tips useful and want to improve your communication skills and attract women in a more subtle and effective way, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. Leave any questions or share topics you'd like to hear more about in the comments section below. We're always listening and will try to help you improve yourself from communication to building quality relationships. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next one.